Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing another unboxing video. So let's get into it. Today we have a scrapbook, guys. Let's open it. How do we open it without scissors though? Oh guys, we have another thing we need to unbox today. I think this was a little expected, maybe not from many, but for me it definitely was. It's our YouTube silver play button. Let's open it. Guys, it's from YouTube. Oh my gosh. First of all, I just want to say how grateful I am because this is not possible without any of you guys. Thank you to all my subscribers, my fans, and also my haters. I love you guys all so much. Hey guys, getting to open it with you guys. First time. Okay, we have a little bit of foam, so let's take the foam off. Oh, this is so exciting. I've never seen a real play button before, never. Okay, we got a little note. It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognition your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award is inspected by and packaged by a guy named Rick." So Rick, if you're watching this, thank you, Rick. Thank you. Okay, and it's from Society Awards. Thank you, guys. Now getting to the really good part. The YouTube paper. It's literally signed by the CEO of YouTube. Wait, guys, don't look at the silver play button yet. We're gonna look at the note first, okay? Calm down. I covered it up so no one can see it. Not even you guys, until I say I'm ready. This is the note from YouTube. Let's read it. It says, "Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or even your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up on the recommendation video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And here's to all the support along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1 million subscriber, we may even ask about, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber?" Okay, that's what it says. And here it is. It's signed by the CEO of YouTube, and it's so cute. But now, guys, for the time everyone has been waiting for. The Creator Award. The silver play button. Let's give a drum roll, please. I present to you mine and yours, silver play button. Ready? Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the first time I've ever seen it, which is amazing. All right, let's open it. This is actually so cool. Oh, wait, before we do this, let's do this. This is for the team. I know some of you guys have probably never seen one, but I'm going to tell you just in case you ever do get one. It's, if you want to buy one for your team, you can. They're amazing here. Now for the literal unboxing part. My and yours silver Creator Award, which is amazing. You can hang it up. Let's see what it says. Presented to Jacqueline Duarte for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. I want to say thank you to all my fans, my subscribers, even my haters. Because if it weren't for you, this video would not be possible. I thank you so much for everything. Thank you for commenting anything. Thank you for subscribing. I hope that we one day get to 1 million subscribers and get our golden one. I don't really know what it's called, but I know it's gold. So make sure to subscribe for that. But guys, look, on the back, there are literal things so that you can hang it up. So I could go right here and I could hang it up. Oh, so cool. And then, remember guys, this is thanks to you guys. Not just me, but to you guys for subscribing to me. And thank you so much, because this award would not be possible without you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye! It's a YouTube! I'm so excited! Yay! Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you. Guys, it's from YouTube.